When chaos strikes and survival hangs by a thread, will you know how to keep it from unraveling? In life or death moments, the strength of a single knot could mean the difference between safety and disaster. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, where we face the unexpected head-on, prepared and ready to stand strong. Today's topic: basic knot tying skills for preppers. In a survival situation, knowing how to tie the right knots isn't just handy, it's essential. Let's dive into the crucial skills every prepper needs to secure gear, create shelter, and protect themselves. First essential knot: the bowline. The bowline is known as the king of knots. Strong and easy to untie, it's perfect for making secure loops that won't slip under pressure. In a crisis, this knot can save your life when you need to anchor gear or even hoist items to safety. The Clove Hitch, quick and strong. If you need to tie a rope to a tree, post, or any sturdy object, the Clove Hitch is your go-to. It's fast, reliable, and easily adjustable. Imagine setting up a tarp for shelter in a storm. This knot is quick and won't loosen in the wind. Sheet bend for joining ropes. Sometimes one rope isn't enough. The sheet bend lets you join two ropes securely, even if they're of different thicknesses. This knot is ideal for extending lines or creating makeshift harnesses. Double fisherman's knot, secure and compact, for tying items together where strength is crucial, like forming loops for climbing or bundling heavy gear. The double fisherman's knot is unmatched. It won't come undone under stress, making it perfect for critical tasks. The figure 8 knot, easy to learn, hard to fail. Widely used in climbing and rescue, the figure 8 knot is simple to tie and untie while holding firmly. It's a knot that once mastered, you can rely on in the most intense scenarios. Here's the twist: knots aren't just about utility, they can be a powerful psychological tool. Knowing you have these skills can bring calm and confidence when things seem out of control. And in survival, a clear mind is as important as a well-tied knot. Now that you're equipped with these essential knot-tying skills, it's time to build on your mental resilience. Our next video, The Psychology of Survival, How to Stay Mentally Strong in a Crisis, will show you how to fortify your mind for any challenge. This is a must-watch if you're serious about prepping. And if you missed it, our last videos covered off-grid cooking, how to prepare meals without electricity, and how to navigate without a compass. Both skills are fundamental for anyone ready to go off the grid. Knowing how to tie the right knots, cook without power, and find your way will make you truly prepared. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Prepper's Path for more. Don't miss out on the essential knowledge to stay one step ahead, no matter what comes. Remember, stay prepared, stay safe.